number first example. If we have the compound like this CH, H, H, C, H, H, H. First, we have to count how many carbons are there. So, how many carbons are there? 1, 2. So, for 2, we write the word root ith. We write the word root ith. Now, between carbon and carbon, there is single bond. For carbon and carbon single bond, we write an. So, suffix is an. So, what is the IUPAC nomenclature of this very compound? It is ethane. It is ethane. Similarly, अगर हमारे पास एक एग्जांपल है ऐसे CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Now let's count the carbons. This is carbon number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So how many carbons are there? 4. So what would be the word root? It is but. Now there is carbon-carbon single bond present there. So suffix would be an. So it is butane. I hope you understand the things. It's very simple. Number of carbon is word root. Then we have to write the suffix. So butane. So we have to write the suffix like ethane, butane. Now let's move towards the prefix. Now if we have the carbon like this CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2. ठीक. So how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what would be the word root? But. Now what is between carbon and carbon? There is a single bond, so it is butane. Now see the difference. This very compound is butane, and this very compound is also butane. But there is a difference between them. This is a straight chain compound. This is a straight chain compound, and this is a cyclic compound. Now to differentiate this straight chain and the cyclic compound, what we use? We use a prefix. So here we add cyclo. So cyclo is a prefix. Cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. Similarly, if we have the compound like this CH2 single bond 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 CH2. Now we have to always keep in mind that carbon is tetravalent. It should not exceed this tetravalency, that is 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 tetravalency. Now how many carbons are there? 5. So it is pent. Now between carbon and carbon there is a single bond, so it is an. So it's pentane, but it's a cyclic compound, so we add the prefix, that is cyclo. Cyclopentane. 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 So this is the simple for the alkanes. Now in coming videos we are going to discuss straight chain and branched chain compounds, and we are going to discuss the higher alkanes. Okay? For beginners this is enough that how can we write the name of a simple alkane.